Yeah, bless up, yo. You see what it is, man. See these greens? These are power greens right here. Alright? We love growing greens. These collard greens right here have a lot of calcium in them. A lot of calcium. Greens love nitrogen-rich soil. That's what gives them that deep green. All the nutrients we need in these plants come from the soil. We've Dr. Cynthia Hall, the geochemist. We want to share with you guys our lived experience of living off the land. Homesteading 101. We've been doing this in the city. It doesn't matter where you live. You can grow your own food. Get in the Grow Your Own Garden Club so we could drop these jewels on you. Show you how you could create your own home grocery store right in your backyard. Even inside, you could grow food in containers. You could grow food. Start where you are. Work with the tools you have. You gotta get this knowledge. You gotta have somebody who knows how to do it, who's been doing it, who could show you how to work with what you have and do this. Start to live a lifestyle of growing off the land. We incorporated our children's development, us raising a family, into growing food and living off the land. You can do it too. This is the way that we all need to be thinking right now. A self-sustainable way of thinking, of living. Just click the link in the bio. Even if you just want to get a consultation with us, you can do that. Yeah, the merch is coming for you. Yo, stay rooted. Keep growing. Bless.